Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are fine. Friends, in this video we are delving into the world of language research. We will be exploring the different kinds of research methods they use to unlock the secrets of language. So let's jump right in and explore the world of linguistics research together. Before starting the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Let's start the topic. Linguistics research. Friends, linguistics is the systematic study of the structure of language and the way it is used. The linguists investigate how languages are formed, how they change over time, and how they are used in communication. This research can encompass a wide range of topics such as grammar, phonetics, semantics, syntax, sociolinguistics, psycholinguistics, and historical linguistics. Friends, researching the structure of language involves several areas. Linguistics research helps us better understand human language, its patterns, and its significance in society. Friends, phonetics and phonology focuses on the sounds of human languages and the ways they pattern in particular languages, including global sound patterns that make up the prosody and intonation of different languages. Phonetics examines the production, transmission, and reception of speech sounds. It helps analyze and categorize speech sounds based on their acoustic analysis to study speech sounds in detail. While phonology focuses on the abstract, cognitive aspects of speech sounds, it explores phenomena such as phonological rule, phonotactics, and distinctive features. Morphology examines the internal structure of words. It is essential in linguistics research for understanding the structure and formation of words, analyze their meanings, studying language universals and variations, and exploring the historical development of languages, while syntax is concerned with describing and accounting for the ways words are grouped into larger structure. Next is types of linguistics research. The first one is classroom-based research. Friends, research in this area can use qualitative and or quantitative methods but has a common concern with describing and understanding language use and or process of language teaching, learning in classrooms at any level. For example, research question is, do students learn vocabulary better through flashcards or through storytelling? Here the participant selection is a classroom of elementary school students is selected to participate in the study. Experimental design. The students are divided into two groups. One group uses flashcards to learn vocabulary, while the other group learns vocabulary through storytelling. Both groups receive the same set of vocabulary words to learn over a week. Data collection. Friends, at the end of the week, both groups are given a vocabulary quiz to assess their retention of the words. The quiz measures how many words each student can correctly define or use in a sentence. Analysis. The scores from the vocabulary quiz are compared between two groups to determine which method, flashcards or storytelling, resulted in better vocabulary retention. Findings and conclusion. The study's findings reveal whether students learn vocabulary more effectively through flashcards or storytelling. This information can help teachers choose the most efficient method for teaching vocabulary in the classroom. Next type is cognitive linguistics. Friends, this school of thought is known as cognitive linguistics, treats language as an integral part of cognition and linguistic phenomena as motivated by people's general cognitive abilities and their interaction with the physical and the social world. Regarding language acquisition, cognitive linguists emphasize the importance of item-based learning, such as the learning of multi-word chunks, and they explore ways of helping learners get to grips with the challenge for memory that this entails. Friends, it is like peeking into our minds to understand how language works and how it is connected to how we think. It's all about exploring how our thoughts, feelings, and experiences shape the way we use language, and how language in turn influences the way we see the world. Instead of just focusing on grammar rules and vocabulary, it looks at how our brain processes language and how it reflects our thoughts and experiences. Next type is corpus linguistics. Friends, a corpus is a principal collection of machine readable, authentic spoken or written text. Corpus studies attempt to identify patterns of language use, for example, lexicon, grammar, discourse, in a relevant corpus or corpora. These patterns are relevant to a variety of research questions in both linguistics and applied linguistics. Friends, it's like a big library of language samples that researchers use to study how language is used in real life. Imagine collecting thousands or even millions of texts like books, articles, speeches, or even social media posts. Then, instead of reading each one individually, researchers use special software to analyze patterns, trends, and common phrases or words across all these texts. This vast collection is called a corpus. Next is discourse analysis. Friends, discourse analysis is the study of language in use both in spoken and written contexts. It is like putting language under a microscope to study how it is used in conversations, text, and social interactions. Next is learner autonomy. Friends, when we look at learner autonomy and learning strategies, we consider questions such as how do language learners actively approach, manage, and control their own learning process for the successful completion of learning tasks? And how can learners develop as independent, social, and responsible individuals? Next is prosody. Friends, prosody and intonation, rhythm and timing, the tune of speech are an important part of spoken language. Prosody and intonation have a huge range of functions, including focusing attention on particular parts of spoken message and organizing discourse, signaling syntactic structure, and showing the attitudes and emotions of the speaker. Research carried out by members of school has looked at some of these functions of prosody and intonation in English and other languages, including the interaction of prosody and focus and prosody and syntax. Friends, it refers to the rhythm, intonation, and stress patterns of speech. It's like the musical quality of language, the rise and fall of pitch, the speed of delivery, and emphasis placed on certain words or syllables. Next is psycholinguistics. Friends, psycholinguistics is the study of the mental representations and process used in the production and comprehension of the language. Second, language acquisition. Friends, it is a broad research field. Its interests include the roles of task-based instruction, feedback, and focus on form in language learning, socio-cultural perspectives on language learning, learner autonomy, and acquisition of intercultural competence. Friends, it refers to the process through which individuals learn a language other than their native language. It's like unlocking a new way to communicate and understand the world. Sociolinguistics. Friends, sociolinguistics research examines the way language is used in different social contexts. Stylistics. The study of poetic and also non-poetic styles can be based on statistical methods. Moreover, it is possible to conduct corresponding investigations on the basis of specific forms. Language laws take in texts of different styles. Qualitative research in linguistics. Friends, in linguistics research, it is often a descriptive quantitative approach which is used to analyze the speech products or the text, while the process is just superficially touched. Meanwhile, it is through the use of qualitative research we can uncover the process and its intricate details of the phenomena, which are difficult to convey with quantitative methods. Next is quantitative research in linguistics. Quantitative linguistics is a subdiscipline of general linguistics and more specifically of mathematical linguistics. Quantitative linguistics deals with the language learning, language change and application as well as structure of natural languages. It investigates language using statistical methods. Its most demanding objective is the formulation of language laws, ultimately of a general theory of language and the sense of a set of interrelated languages. It is empirically based on the results of language statistics, a field which can be interpreted as statistics of language or as statistics of any linguistic subject. This field is not necessarily connected to substantial theoretical ambitions. Corpus linguistics and computational linguistics are other fields which contribute empirical evidence. So friends, in this video we have discussed linguistics research. Stay tuned for the next video. Stay blessed. Keep watching. Allah Hafiz.